Hello everyone. Good morning. Let's see. Right now it's currently 9:09, and we have CANF being the leading gapper. It gapped up about 98%, but this stock I really don't know how I feel about this one. Well, one of the reasons why it's because this is just being really thickly traded right now at this moment. It's doing a lot of false breakouts. I just don't know, but let's see. Look at this right now. So I hit a high of 412 right there. It's gonna be able to hold. It's been hitting the 20 EMA, so that's good. Okay. A proper entry would have been right around 4 or 5. For the next 5-minute candle, anticipating the next 5-minute candle to make a new high. But let's see how this is going to do over here. It's really interesting. I want to see what this is going to do. Okay, well this does this 1-minute pullback. But look at this, look at the level 2. It's been so, look at this. Thickly traded. Amazing. Let me turn that off. Okay, so we hit a high over there of 416, but let's look at the second leading gapper. Second leading gapper is SSY. It gapped about, let me make this a little bit bigger. 68%. Let's have news. Oh, it says pre-market on units capital plan. No. Okay, that's the second leading gapper. It has a float of 3.3 million. Not bad. ENC is the third leading gapper. Look at that. That's horrible. Who's gonna trade this? Okay, and we have now the fourth is SVRA. Looking better now. So the previous, but look at this 5-minute. So the previous right there was the high was 238. I also see well, look at CANF. It's just going by little. That one's being thickly traded. Just look at the look at the buy. Look at the bid and look at the ask. Look at that. Big shares. I just don't know if I can. We'll see how this one does almost at the opening. We'll see how it does. But for now, let's check this one also. There it is, it goes. So SVRA. So SVRA right now, 38 was the previous high. I leave an order of 40, just in case he wants to, but it needs more volume right now. No volume. I don't want to buy into this. No volume. Honestly, I really don't see anything right now. We just gotta wait until the opening to see which one's gonna start popping. But right now, I'm just been looking at CANF, but I really don't know how I feel about that one at this very moment. Okay, let's do that. This is a 1 minute pullback. We can say, okay, the high right there was 20, but it's right at 20 again. Let's see, I'm just gonna watch it. This is just really thickly traded. Being It has almost 50 million shares of volume right now. It's a lot. So it was a high over here, 35, but let's see, there's no volume. Waiting for volume to start picking up. Okay, so I don't know. This is just being really thickly traded. That's the only problem with with CNF. We can just stare at the level 2 over here. I have the bid and ask. Look at this. Look at the bid. I just don't know. Okay, let's see right now. We got SVRA, but that one needs to pick up a little bit more volume. There's a pullback on CANF, CANF. We don't have a hot watch list today. Yesterday we actually had some great opportunities. I think it was SGLV the one I traded. Also check CHEK. Still watching to see if anything, but man, I just don't know how to feel about CANF. Now we see SVRA breaking the VWAP. Okay, let's see right now, guys. So let's see, we got SSY being the second leading gapper. Let's see right now. So the VWAP is right at 354. So a good entry on this one will be right about the break of VWAP or the break of the $0.50. So let's get the break of the $0.50. So we'll be around 350. Well, my entry will be around 345, but I need to see volume coming in with it. But for the meantime, let's see. I'm just staring at CANF right now because that's a second leading gapper, and look at this. We have the level 2 over here being thickly traded. Look at this. Amazing. That was, of course, is gonna move a little bit slower. So first 1 minute count to make a new high is gonna be over 18. It says. I'll take a snap out of it if I see a good setup right here. So we still have 2 minutes left. So next 5 minute count to make a new high, it could be over 27. Gonna pull back a little bit more. So the low is 12. Taking a starter. It says. So I'm long right there, right at 16. I have an average of 16. Trying to see what this is going to do. waiting now probably for the next 5 minutes. Okay, so the low over here was 11. The high is 16. Okay, I want to see what this is going to do now. I have an average right now of 13. I took a starter, but now I just added into the drop. Trying to see for a nice bounce, but let's see what this is going to do right now. This is why we also will be interested for the break of the $0.50 350 and also the break of VWAP, so that's what I'm watching right now. Okay, let's see. I'll put this on my level 2 SSY 350. I'm interested if we can get up to 350. Living in order at 350. And then I'm watching CANF right now. My average right now is 413. Let's see if now we can get the bounce around this level. I see 11, 12, 13. I see, but this one, the only problem is it's really thickly traded, so it's gonna be moving really slow, unless someone steps in and buys big shares, big share amount of market order. But next 1 minute count to make a new high is gonna be over 13. I see 12. It now has 52 million shares of volume. Okay, so there it is. We just made a new high right now. 15. I see 16. Selling half a 16. I'm all out of 15. It's just not moving. Didn't like that. Look at the big rejection on SSY, the second leading gapper. So now, right now, I'm just gonna hold tight. We're about 8 minutes until the market opens. I want to see something. Let's see. But I don't know about CANF, about the opening. I really don't know about this one, because this one's just being really, really thickly traded. So I really don't know. What I'm going to do with that. Okay, I don't know what's happening here. Okay, I'm setting things up right now. So I'm bringing this over here. I went long right about here. Let's see. Let me get this out of my way. So it was right about 413, 19. So it was right about here. 13 over here. So I was expecting this candle over here. Next 1 minute count to make a new high. Okay, right now we have about 6 minutes left, and I just don't know about CANF again. Well, right now, we can say it's doing a 5 minute pullback. We can see it over here. Let me show you. So it'll be next 5 minute count to make a new high. You can say okay. Leave it there. What is this going to do in this area? I mean, you give a nice pop to 427 pre-market. That's high right now, but just don't know. Again, because here 412 is next round to make a new high, and it just did. It just hit 14. There it is, 14. But I don't know how I feel about this one. Okay, now it's probably being a little bit more. We have 5 minutes till the opening. But we gotta watch out with this one, because look, if we look at the daily, yeah, it does great moves, but we get some big flushes too, so we gotta be careful. SSY, I really wanted to get about 350 if I really want to trade it. If not, I'm not interested in it. So the only one I'm watching right now is CANF at the opening. It's gonna be a good spot to be watching. It can be 24 for the break of 27. Or at the same time, it can be right about 15 with an exit of 410. But let's actually even see if it's gonna be able to hold $4, the whole dollar. I just don't want to buy over here, but okay, we're about only 4 minutes away till the opening. Get my computer to see. Okay, get even that ready. Also, look at look at SSY. Huh. 26, 330. I mean, 330. It's above all-time highs. They hit a high of 458. It says, yep, right about here. So this one has actually has a nice it gave us some nice moves before. So a break of 46. That's what I'm watching. Also SSY. So I'm watching both. I'm gonna put SSY on my main screen, because the only problem with CANF is that it's really being thickly traded. SSY, look at that nice jump it just had right there. That was beautiful. There it is, 350 like I was saying. So I'm actually gonna leave an order around 357. Let it pull back over here. This is pretty mature. It's right at 358, but I like to see that it got above the view up. Now let's see on the pullback if it's gonna be able to hold it. Look at that. This thing gets me excited. Okay, so let's see. So it hit a high over there right now of 69 with 1 minute left. So I'm gonna actually leave an order right about 70. Let it pull down. It's okay. I'm also watching CANF. So CNAF, I'm watching for the break of 427. And then SSY, I'm watching for this pullback. I want to see if it's going to be able to hold above the VWAP on this next 1 minute. And my entry is going to be for the break of 375. 375 breaks. Now we're looking probably at $4. Next target. Okay, so let me get that ready right now. So SSY, we might see over here a nice opportunity. So current high right now in the 1 minute is 62. We still have about almost 30 seconds left on this current 1 minute candle. the previous high was right about 69, so I left an order right about 75 just in case to give myself some room. And I look CANF also moving higher. Okay, so let's see. SSY, there it is as a pullback. Okay, we're about 10 seconds away, so I think I'm gonna be trading SSY. Let's see what this one's going to do. 53. Okay, so I'm watching probably 65. Let's see the market open. I'm watching SSY. I missed CANF on that one. Okay, that one couldn't hold, but I didn't want to take a trade on CANF also because look at that, 37, and now look at that. Okay, I'm still watching SSY right now. Let it do the imbalance. Let it do the dip right now. So the current high right now is 59. So let's see, 53. I'm longer at 57 now. I want to see 65. There it is, 75. I said next target, it's gonna be $4. I want to add for the break of $4. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Adding over here for the break of $4. 95. Okay, I see 94, 95. It's okay. Let it do a micro pullback. I'll take that. I think this will break $4, but let's see on this micro pullback right now. Let's see. Adding a little bit more at 87. Let's see right now. Let me actually fix this a little bit more for you guys. 1 minute pullback. I really don't mind it. Okay, so my average right now is 85. Let's see. It can go all the way up to the VWAP. Let's see 58 if you can hold it. This is all jumpy right now, all over the place. Adding over here right at the VWAP support. Adding. So 68 is my new average. Let's see what this is going to do. I also see CANF. It just hit a new high, 39 right there. But I'm watching also. Okay, so now that we see 67, I want to see 75 on SSY. 70, there it is. 70, 74, 75 breaks, and now I'm seeing. I want to see $4, 80. There it is. Selling some right. Right at 80, I sold some. Okay, now I want to see a move all the way up to 85. Okay, 85, 88, 90. I want to see 92. There it is, 92, 99, $4. There it is. There it is. What a wild move, guys. Crazy. What a crazy move right there. And you guys just witnessed that. Okay, let me take this out of here. Okay, guys, so let's see. What was the high over there? The high was right about 414, 425. Okay. So the current high right now is 421. Let it pull back. Let it retest $4. Let's go, guys. Let it retest. Don't jump in. Let's see. Is $4 gonna hold? I can take a starter. Taking a starter at 10. As $4 holding. Okay, so my average right now is about was 13. I got some slippage. It's okay. So selling some at 21 just in case. There it is. Because of that, you see the drop of it. That's why we always like to take profit. So the previous high was right about 21. So let's see if I can do another add around here. Adding a 13 again for the break of 21. Are we gonna go test that level again? So my average right now is 13. That's a 1 minute pullback. We guys still have 30 seconds left. 21, now it's the spot. 20 needs to break. Right, so let's see right now. So the low is $4. Okay, 13, 15. Okay, now we're gonna go for 21 again. This thing looks like it wants to go test that again. Maybe on the next 1 minute. Next 1 minute count to make a new high is gonna be over 22. Okay, there it is. So we have about 6 seconds left, and this thing will go over 22. It's just like it looks like it's too strong right now. Let's see. I see 17, 20. Look at that. What did I say, guys? 25 he hit right there. Okay, so I sold some right there at 24. I sold most of it. Okay, I'm still holding my position. I'm partial shares now, 413. I'm cutting the rest. Now it looks like it's gonna break below 4. I don't like the way it just went to test that level again. Should have gone when as soon as it broke 25. We should have seen more momentum picking up. Not a big deal though. Okay, so the high, right, but that's a false breakout on the 1 minute, so 25 broke by 3 cents. Okay, let's see. I buy at 25 right there. I want to see momentum picking up. I only bought a couple shares. Okay, so let's see. 24, that's actually my average. Okay, let's see. 24, there it is. Selling at 30. Holding only 250 shares right now, 24. And I'm all out at 32. This thing going everywhere. Okay, now let's watch for the break of 50. Let it pull back. Too extended. Too extended. Let it pull back. Let it pull back. It's too extended. I'm long there at 44, 41. For the break of 50, I'm watching. Let's see. Are we gonna get the break of 50 right away? Or is this gonna pull back? No, there it is. Selling some at 50, just in case. Try to do a false breakout. 45 is my average. Holding just a small partial. Let's see on this dip where I can add. Let it pull back. You can go all the way to $4, remember. Adding a 19. So average right now is 24. Okay, so let's see. 21, I see 23. This is going all over the place. 15, 13, 12, 11. Let's see what this is going to do. Next 1 minute count to make a new high is going to be over 26. Adding a little bit more 21 for the now for next 1 minute count to make a new high, or maybe it's going to do a little bit more of a pullback. 23 is my average. There it is. That's what I was looking for. Selling another half at 29. Now I'm holding the rest for the break of Tesla 450. Selling another partial of 40. Now this, it had to reload for the break of 50. Let's see, 21 is my average right now. And then there it is. It broke. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't have this. It broke 50. Alright, those on YouTube, I'm gonna end the stream right here. Have a good day, everyone. Like to see you on my chat. If you wanna come, you can join me. Alright guys, have a good day, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow.